I think I messed up. Oh wait, it's just a hiccup! Let's dive in and see why it happens. So, what's up with hiccups? It all starts with your diaphragm, that muscle under your lungs. Sometimes it spasms and makes you gulp air suddenly. That's when your vocal cords snap shut, creating that classic hic sound. Why does it happen? Eating too fast, drinking soda, or even getting a bit too excited can trigger it. Your brain sends mixed signals, causing the diaphragm to go rogue. Though they're annoying, hiccups usually vanish on their own. But if they hang around, try holding your breath, sipping water, or even a little sugar. They might just do the trick. So next time you feel that telltale hicks, you'll know what's going on. Stay curious and hiccup free.